Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can find your user ID in Honor of Kings. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up your Honor of Kings application on your device and from the main lobby screen, tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. You will then be able to see your profile section where you can see your username. Simply tap on the username and on the next page, your user ID will be shared with you. Your user ID is a string of numbers displayed right underneath your username. You can tap on the ID and this will be able to help you copy it to your clipboard. Now you can share your user ID easily with friends. So that is how you can easily find your user ID in Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Honor of Kings tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.